Okay, welcome Jabali. In this next tutorial, we're going to add the second screen to our app that's going to store our jokes that we can play and listen to. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to zoom in. Well, I'm going to zoom in here, and this is the plus sign. This is how you add a new screen to your app. So I want you to click on that, and you'll get a brand new screen, and I want you to give that screen a name. At the moment, it's called Screen 1. So if you remember from the previous tutorial, you click on the pen tool here, delete the text, and we're going to call this jokes. Okay, click away, and you'll notice it's changed to the jokes here. You've got your home screen here, and you've got your jokes here. Like before, you can give it a background color, which you choose from here. You can have the same color, or you can go for something a little bit different. And there you go, a little bit darker this time. Let's add a bit of transparency. Okay, that's not too bad. So I've changed the background color. Now, what you can do, you can add a new image if you want to this for your title, or you add a simple label as the title. So I'm going to show you this time how to add a label. Now, labels are this side on the left-hand side under components. So I'm going to drag my label and place it at the top. Now, first, you'll need to maybe change the alignment, and you can do that here, text alignment, and I usually put mine to center, and then I'm going to put that into the center of my screen. At the moment, it obviously says label as the text. I need to change that, and I'm going to click here where it says text, delete that, and I'm going to call it jokes. So there it is, and as you can see, it changes up here. Now, to change the size of your text, you on the right hand side again, you scroll down, down, down. Oops, make sure you're clicked on your label, make sure you clicked here, and then you'll get the font size, which is here. You can up your font size to make it quite big, or you can just, if you want, change it like that. Type in a number. So 50, let's see how big it is. Actually, it's disappeared because it's that big, but that's easy. You just drag the handles here, and you'll see that it now has the text. But what you could do is, like you did before in Pixlr, create your text in here using the text box and create an image instead of using a text box. But I've decided to use a label or a text box, I call it. And you can also change your color by clicking here. You can change your text color like that. Okay, so there is my title. So now what we need are buttons to play your jokes and buttons to listen to your jokes. So they, again, need to be on the jokes screen, and we need to go onto the left-hand side here where we've got a button. So I'm going to drag my button onto here. I'm going to just place that there, make it a little bit bigger. Now, very importantly, very important that you change the text here first. This is so, if you remember, when you're programming it, you are able to refer easily to the correct button. So I'm going to edit it by clicking on the pen, and I'm going to call it joke 1. Okay, so remember, make sure you're on the right screen. Remember that it only changes it here, doesn't change it here. So I'm going to change my text this time by clicking on the button here or here, and then changing the text, which is just here where it says button. And I'm going to just type in there joke. There's my joke, and then I'm going to add another button here, and again I'm going to change the name here. Instead of button 1, this time I'm going to call it answer 1. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the button and change the text here. So it says answer. Okay, and I'm going to make that button a similar size to my first one and just align it nicely like that. Okay, so what you can do now is create maybe 4 or 5 buttons which say joke and answer, and remember to name them properly here: joke 1, joke 2, answer 2, joke 3, answer 3. Okay, hopefully you've got your screen looking just similar to that. So what I've got here, remember I've made sure I've renamed my buttons: joke 4, answer 3, joke 3, answer 2, joke 2, answer 1, joke 1. Okay, so when you come to program them, you know exactly which one you are referring to. And hopefully you've changed your color and you've added your title. Okay, so in the next tutorial we will look at coding our app so it actually plays the jokes. But take care, and I will see you in the next tutorial.